supporters spin yarns, Islanders talk with their fists.
What you say?
They wanna be down with that Otahuhu 276.
Down with Otahuhu 276 for years. About 16,600 of them. Recruiting rovers and leopards. ORFC passing the rugby ball down and making men of them. Tears and fears for my peers, they ripping. You think that it is, if not it isn't. Race for the try line, my opposing team, cause my rugby moves you're banging out. Drink ups after the game, island reggae, hip-hop and rubber for beats at the park when it's time for hanging out. Or rather form a forward pass around the flick pass, drop kick, cause brothers or others could never ever set up or try and read the play. Is it because he's running off with his mouth guard and headgear? Or was he really clearly trying to play his rugby team out? Nope, shut him down. The Otahuhu with 276 with a crown, cause all you wanna be is Diggy down.
Down with the Otahuhu, the Otahuhu down with the 276, the 27's down with the Otahuhu, the Otahuhu down with the 276, the 276, the Otahuhu, the Otahuhu down with the 276, the 27's down with the Otahuhu, the Otahuhu down with the 276, the 276.
276 days ago, a friend of mine asked me to form a rugby team up. So I said this rugby team I formed, and I'm about to say this team was stacked and it went this way. Recollect a stacked gun team, check on the rugby, the league skills. Coach distracts, wearing lava and jandals. It's okay to parlay the forte. Better tell them my Islanders made a rugby jersey tougher than leather. Swing another dawn raid sting and I'll wreck. But just like the white one, I get no respect. Money buy people out cause the mother Islanders are fake. From Great South Road to Princess Street, now your dumb ass is obsolete. OC and ORFC, so rush it big time way before David Tua got the punch holes in it. Remember the faces in all types of places. Look, I just got paid. Here's some
down with the Otahuhu, the Otahuhu down with the 276, the 27's down with the Otahuhu, the Otahuhu down with the 276, the 27's down with the Otahuhu, the Otahuhu down with the 276, the 27's down with the Otahuhu, the Otahuhu down with the 276, the 276. Oh.
We're taking rugby tours, I'm wrecking, cutting the rugby field up. I keep it hardcore cause it's solid, man. These are the forward pass and bomb ass and kicks words I ever wrote down. Not meant for a rookie like a slow jam. Check the reserves, sitting on the bench. Sucker MCs can never swing with the Otahuhu leopards because of all the things that I bring with me. Only G.O.D. could be a king to me, and if the G.O.D. be in me, then the king I be. These rugby boots is branded when it's handed to me. I was planted on this planet and I plan to play rugby. My rugby league family and friends only seem to agree that I rock all the world and the society. Outrageous on the footy field with hand signals and code words, shouting out loud. I give praises from these legends back in the days to the universe. My voice is raw, my rugby league team is law. I keep it hardcore like you never saw.
Down with the Otahuhu, the Otahuhu down with the 276, the 27's down with the Otahuhu, the Otahuhu down with the 276, the 27's down with the Otahuhu, the Otahuhu down with the 276, the 27's down with the Otahuhu, the Otahuhu down with the 276, the 276.
I'm the man you see in the place to be. I went to Cal Institute of Technology, and since kindergarten I acquired the knowledge. And after 12th grade I went straight to Otahuhu College. Down with the doers on the mic, these guys can scrap one-on-one. The O to the T, not an A&H footy player. The U to H shoot. The gang's up, Islanders driving around tonight. I hold the key and flowing with the calling green light to go. Hear the Pacific brother brown and black pick up the bass. Better yet leave a space, so let me put my loud C costume on in to the early morning. Had these haters yawning jammers. You want the jammers? I'll make a funky beat so we can blow. Check it out, DJ MONA-TA has a beat locked down, put you in a headlock. And now all these fobs and fresh, she outnumbered, is down with Otahuhu.
Down with the Otahuhu, the Otahuhu down with the 276, the 27's down with the Otahuhu, the Otahuhu down with the 276, the 27's down with the Otahuhu, the Otahuhu down with the 276, the 27's down with the Otahuhu, the Otahuhu down with the 276, the 276.